Hey guys, so today is October 18th, 2018. Today is the Great Washington Shakeout Earthquake and Tsunami Drill. That means today is the required monthly test for the month of October, and it occurs at 10:18 a.m. It's 10:16 right now, so in about 2 minutes, hopefully all these radios will be sounding off. Can only hope. A couple of these failed yesterday for the weekly test.
And Friday 59. The marine forecast for Puget Sound and Hood Canal. Today, light wind. Wind waves less than 1 foot. Tonight, northwest winds at 10 knots in the evening becoming light. Wind waves.
One of my concerns is the Eton
areas of fog.
zone guard because its reception is pretty cruddy as of recently.
Wind waves less than 1 foot. Areas of fog.
Radios that weren't here yesterday for the weekly test were pretty much all of these weren't active. I think that one was going. The lacrosse. FR370 wasn't here. This wasn't going. I had the alarm off on that on accident. That was dead. It has a power issue. So I'm running it on batteries right now. That didn't activate. Those two were off. And yeah, other than that, all radios are going.
A front will arrive Tuesday, followed by a stronger front later Wednesday or Thursday.
Jesus.
System and knowing weather radio's warning alarm. To participate in today's Great Washington ShakeOut statewide earthquake drill, drop, cover, and hold down. If you are also involved in today's tsunami warning communications test, follow your tsunami communication response procedures just after the earthquake drill. This is a test. No tsunami warning is in effect. Repeat, this is only a test. The following tones will conclude this test. This is a test of the emergency alert.
Jesus Christ, did I mention this was a full volume test too? Thanks for watching.
Qualified professionals. Also involved in today's tsunami warning communications test. Follow your tsunami communication response procedures just after the earthquake drill. This is a test. No tsunami warning is in effect. Repeat, this is only a test. The following tones will conclude this test. In the middle. After drill. This is a test. No tsunami warning is in effect. Repeat, this is only a test. The following tones will conclude this test.
Good timing.
This is a test of the emergency alert system and NOAA weather radio's warning alarm. To participate in today's Great Washington Shakeout statewide earthquake drill, drop, cover, and hold down. If you are also involved in today's tsunami warning communications test, follow your tsunami communication response procedures just after the earthquake drill. This is a test. No tsunami warning is in effect. Repeat, this is only a test. The following tones will conclude this test. This is a test of the emergency alert system and NOAA weather radio's warning alarm. To participate in today's Great Washington Shakeout statewide earthquake drill, drop, cover, and hold down. If you are also involved in today's tsunami warning communications test, follow your tsunami communication response procedures just after the earthquake drill. This is a test. No tsunami warning is in effect. Repeat, this is only a test. The following tones will conclude this test.
Oh, that's perfect.
Statewide earthquake drill. Drop, cover, and hold down. If you are also involved in today's tsunami warning communications test, follow your tsunami communication response procedures just after the earthquake drill. This is a test. No tsunami warning is in effect. Repeat, this is only a test. The following tones will conclude this test. Tones will conclude this test.
That right there is why you always scan each station more than one time. More than 2 times if necessary. So as you guys saw today, I did a high volume test on everything. Just to recap, both ETONs worked today. Everything else seems to have worked except the WR100 and I think the 12382 both had reception issues when the rest of the radios started going off. That's what I was afraid of because this failed yesterday. This actually went off yesterday. Not today though. Found out this one works. 74200 works just fine. All these went off just fine. Oh, 12993 failed too. And as usual, the 12522. That absolutely hates all the channels now. The reception's god awful. Other than that, it was a pretty successful test. I think I got, 5 other FM stations too? So thank you guys for watching.